Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Boss from Home, and today we're going to be talking about one of the very most beginner-friendly ways that you can start making money from home, and this is by using Printify and print on demand. So whether you are a stay-at-home parent like myself, you're a student, or you're simply looking for a legitimate side hustle that you can build online, this video is for you. And just so that we're clear, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You cannot make thousands overnight. But with consistency and the right strategy, Printify can be a real way to create passive income over time. So if you have not been following us this far, you might be wondering, who is Printify? So Printify is a free-to-use print-on-demand platform. This means that you can create designs, you can upload them to products like t-shirts, mugs, and even tote bags. And when someone buys the product, a third-party print provider will print and ship that product directly to your customer. So you don't need to buy any inventory or store them in your back room. You don't have to worry about packaging or even shipping anything yourself. You can simply focus on creating designs and promoting your store. So how does this all work? I'm going to tell you step by step right now. First, you're going to create a free Printify account. Then pick the products to sell. They have over 900 items available. Upload your design using their mockup generator, my absolute favorite. Choose a print provider based on the cost, reviews, and shipping time. Very important to do your research. And connect the store that you have, like Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, maybe even your own website. Set your price and publish. And then when a customer buys, Printify will handle all of the fulfillment. You will get paid the profits. Okay, so this is not magic. If you publish a few designs and then walk away, chances are you will not get sales. Like any online business, success all depends on effort, your niche selection, and marketing. So it might take a few weeks before you get your first sale, but that's absolutely normal. Just stay with it, because once it works for you, you can start building passive income that will run in the background while you can focus on other things. So focus on long-term results rather than get rich quick, because this is not a get rich quick scheme. And don't just make any generic, fun quote t-shirts. You want to find your niche. So here are a few examples that are working today, like the dog mom niche, mental health advocate niche, plant lovers, teachers, bookworms, Christian entrepreneurship, retired nurses. When you pick a niche and you speak directly to that niche, your products will feel more personal, and that is what sells. And you certainly don't need a big budget to get started. All you need is Pinterest for ideas. They're great for visual products. TikTok, you can create short videos of your products, create cool videos. Instagram Reels as well is good for this. SEO optimized Etsy listings. You can use ChatGPT to help you with those listings and find the right keywords that stick to your audience. And share your store in maybe a niche Facebook group, but do it ethically, okay? And another tip, you can use Printify mockups to create the clean, professional looking posts that you can use online for free. And when it comes to pricing, you get to control this. So Printify tells you the base cost of a product, say $10 for a t-shirt. You sell it for $24.99. Pay Printify for the product and the shipping, and then you get to keep the rest. And if you're getting more regular sales, you might want to upgrade to Printify Premium for $29 per month. This will save you up to 20% on product costs. And so that adds up really fast when you scale upwards. So Printify is not a shortcut to wealth by any means, but it is a legitimate and low-cost way to make money online from home if you're willing to put in work. Okay guys, so those are some things to consider when you are starting your own online business using Printify. I hope that this video was helpful and added value to you. Please let me know down below in the comment section if you have any questions, and I will be there to answer your questions ASAP, because I love to communicate with you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you were inspired. Please send this video to another creative that you know would benefit from this particular information, and subscribe, because we're always talking about how you can get started making money through Printify, print on demand. For more information and how you can get started, you can check out my description box down below. I'll have a helpful link for you that will help you and give you the information needed to make the judgment on whether or not you want to get started selling online. Thank you so much for watching once again. I hope that you have a great rest of your day, and I will chat with you guys down below in the comments and in the next video.